Hey y'all, I'm back with another natural hair tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you stay tuned so you know exactly what you need to achieve this hairstyle. A comb, a brush, a water and oil spray mixture, bobby pins, shea butter, and eco styling gel. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. So we're going to begin on these back two sections of our hair, creating anywhere between 5 to 6 flat twists and then ending them off in bantu knots. Also, no need to fret about your parts. They don't have to be perfect. They won't be seen anyway, so that's the least of your concerns. And here you can see our first bantu knot and flat twist. And so we're just going to repeat this all the way throughout the rest of our hair. And just like that, the back section of our hair is complete. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the front two sections of our hair. And we're just going to begin to create one solid middle part. And that part is going to create the base for how we're going to style the front section. To create this middle part, we're just going to create two curved parts on both sides of our middle part. And it's going to create like this rounded shape. From here, within this middle part, all we're going to do is create one large French braid. Once that is complete, on each side of your hair, you have the option of either doing flat twist or more French braids. I did 2 additional French braids on each side. Somehow I lost the footage of me doing those additional braids on the side. However, you will be able to see it on day 2. Okay, so it is now day 2 and this is what my hair now looks like. As you all can see, I've gone ahead and completed those last 4 braids. So what we're going to do next is begin to add our clip-ins. So I'm going to use those Lovrio Clip-Ins that I showed you all about 6 months ago. So all I'm doing is applying them and layering them in that back section of my hair. Once the back section is complete, we're gonna move to the top of our hair where our little makeshift bun is. From there, I'm just gonna place my clip-ins around the bun. And so to hold them in place, I either clip them in or use bobby pins. Once that is complete, all you're going to do is grab some excess hair and wrap it around the base of your ponytail to create more of a natural look. Okay, y'all, check me out. Alright, you all, it is now day 2 and this is what my hair now looks like. So really quickly, before we go any further, I'm going to show you all a 360 look of how my hair came out. So here's the top part, which is probably by far my favorite. I'm really loving the different textures that I have going on with the 2 braids, well actually the 3 braids and the 2 flat twists. And then my ponytail, I was able to make that look pretty natural. Alright, so here's the front view, this side, and that is it, y'all. Just like that, my hair is complete. And I really just wanted to show you all how to be versatile with what you already have, right? More importantly, y'all, I was able to pull off a protective style with me having hair out, looking like I just grew it out of my scalp and all of that. Well, looky there. We have a special guest, my little sister Malaysia. She just wanted to come on and say hey. Hey. All right, so as always, like I said, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye.